Hello guys, today we're going to see how to use external JavaScript. Let's use the same project, this one. Remember in the previous lesson, we saw how to use internal and inline JavaScript. So now we are going to see how we can use external JavaScript. Now here we have internal JavaScript. Function display document.getElement by id message.inHTML equals no previous lesson available. Now we are going to take this function, then we use it in external JavaScript. How to do this? So let's copy this, then we remove this. After removing this, so we are going to create another file, then we call it script. Then we call it script.js. Then we save. Then here we put our function. So the function is this one. So this function will display a message in the element with id message. So let us save this. Then after saving this, we come here in index.html. So we come here before closing body tag, then we type script. After typing script, here inside we type src equals script.js. Then we save. So let us change this message. Then we say, hi, this feature is not available right now. Come back later. Then we save. So after saving, now we have this message. So after saving, we go to open the browser, HTTP. So this is our project. Now we're going to check our buttons. So we have this button next lesson and the previous lesson, but our JavaScript is on previous lesson. So when we click here, automatically, hi, this feature is not available right now. Come back later. So it means to use external JavaScript, we create a file with extension.js, then that file we link it to our HTML file. Thank you very much. See you next time.